Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. A few days ago I posted this picture on my IG and I asked you guys if you wanted to see a tutorial on this beautiful glam yet very minimal makeup look, and 100% of you guys said yes. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I filmed it another day and I forgot to switch on my mic, so I am refilming this video for you guys. And something different about me, I just got my hair cut yesterday and the hair in that picture and now are very different. Please excuse the thuk going on next door. It is really annoying, but you can't really do anything about it. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do like and share my videos. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Now, because it's a super simple and a very minimal makeup look and I'm not doing much on my eyes, so I'm going to start with my base makeup. And as I always say, it's winters here and my skin is super dry. I've already moisturized my face really well, but I tend to gravitate more towards my more dewier and very lightweight foundations during the winters. And one of my absolute favorite foundations for that purpose is my Diorskin Nude Air Serum foundation. I also mentioned it in my top 10 foundations video, which I'll link on the screen above if you haven't seen it already. This is what the foundation looks like. It is a super lightweight foundation. And I completely forgot, before going on with my foundation, I need to cover up these bad dark circles, and for that I'm taking my trusty CoverFX Correct Orange Corrector, and with my finger I'm applying it very lightly just on my under eyes where I have some darkness and pigmentation, and also around my mouth area. Now going on with my foundation, this comes in a dropper kind of a format, so I'm going to take a few drops of it and I'm going to put it on my face directly like that, and I'm going to blend it out using my packed foundation brush. Now it is a super lightweight foundation, you guys. I mean, just look at it. It just looks like you're putting a layer of moisturizer on the face, but it gives you a really nice, almost a light to medium coverage, and it evens out your skin tone so beautifully, and it gives a very beautiful dewy finish to the face. I prefer to go in with my foundation brush for this foundation because it's super lightweight and your sponge tends to, soak up a lot of product when you're using very lightweight product. So I prefer to go in with my brush first and then I will dab it out at the end with my beauty sponge just to even out the coverage. Guys, sequins seem to be in trend very much right now. I see around a lot of pictures with sequin saris, sequin dresses, sequin tops, and I absolutely love sequin too. But however, I had this dress for quite some time, I had this top for quite some time, but I just recently wore it, and I am really intrigued with how much sequin is in trend right now. This top that I'm wearing is from M&S and I absolutely love how glittery and glimmery it is. And with that, we're done with the foundation. Just look at how beautiful and natural it looks. It just looks like my skin but better. I mean, I do not even feel any foundation on my face. It is that lightweight. Now coming up to my concealer, I'm taking my trusty CoverFX Power Play Concealer. I again mentioned it in my top 10 concealers video, which if you haven't seen already, I'll link on the screen above, and I absolutely love this concealer. This is more of a fuller coverage concealer. Whenever I go with light or medium coverage foundations, I go in with a fuller coverage concealer just to, and I'm taking a very light amount of it on the under eyes, and then using my beauty sponge, I'm going to blend it out really nicely. And next, to set my concealer, I'm taking my NARS Light Reflecting Setting Powder. Just the tiniest amount of it, only in the areas where I've applied the concealer, because I'm not going to set the rest of my face. And to avoid the concealer from creasing, I definitely do need to set my concealer. And with that, we're done with the base makeup. Let me zoom you in to show you how lightweight and natural my base makeup looks. Just look at that beautiful and very natural looking glow, and I am absolutely a fan of how this face makeup looks. Now before moving forward, I'm going to quickly go ahead and fill in my eyebrows off the camera. And I'm back. Now I'm going to finish off my eye makeup first, and in that picture I was wearing just one product on my eyes, and that is my Shiseido Aura Dew highlighter in the shade Lunar 01. Now it is a multi-purpose kind of a shimmer. I mean, you can use it on your face, on your eyes, on your body, and it adds the most subtle hint of glitter all over your eyes or wherever you apply it. And I mean, it is so beautiful. I mean, just the smallest amount and it will add a beautiful highlight to wherever you apply it. I'm just going to pick it up with my finger, and this is what it looks like. Let me zoom you guys in to show you how beautiful it looks on the eyelids. Just look at that beautiful shimmer. I mean, it is a shimmer, but super beautiful and very subtle and forgiving. Just apply it all over your eyelid and just look at how beautiful it looks on the eyes. Just look at that beautiful hint of shimmer on all over your eyelids. And I mean, I'm a fan of this product. That is all I need for my eyes. I am, however, going to add a tiny bit of my bronzer into the crease and on my lower waterline, just to add a tiny bit of definition and warmth there. And then finally, to finish off the eye look, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara. And now again, I mentioned it in my top 10 mascaras video. It is a beautiful mascara. It adds so much drama to your eyelashes. I mean, trust me, it adds absolute, and it looks absolutely beautiful, and it does not flake or crease on you at all. I'm adding 2 to 3 heavy coats of this on my upper as well as my lower lashes, because I'm not going to add any eyeliner or kajal today. And then that is all I'm going to be doing for my eyes today. And I absolutely love how simple and how subtle yet very glam this eye makeup is looking right now. Now coming back to finishing off my face makeup, I'm going to first take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm using it to bronze up my entire face. And next up for the blush, I wanted to keep my face really fresh and very youthful. So to add that beautiful flush of color and a very fresh flush of color, I'm taking my Bobbi Brown Powder Blush in the shade Pale Pink. And I'm applying it all over my cheeks, and I'm also going to drag it across my nose. It adds the most beautiful flush of color and looks super fresh on the face as well. And for my highlighter, I'm diving into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, and I'm using it on all the high points of my face. It is a beautiful and a very blinding kind of a highlighter, but you can, you know, tone it down as much as you want to. But since this is a glam makeup look, I'm going pretty heavy with my highlighter. And I'm also going to apply it along with my brow bone, the inner corner of my eye, and on the cupid's bow. And lastly, to finish off my makeup look, I'm taking my Colourpop Luxe lipstick in the shade Pinkies Up. It is a beautiful brown peachy nude. And that is it, guys. However, since it's winters, my skin needs all the hydration that it can get. So I'm going to finish off my look by spritzing it with some of my Flower Beauty Seal the Real Hydrating Setting Spray. And just a tiny amount of it all over my face. And yeah guys, that is it. This is the final finished makeup look. I'm absolutely loving how beautiful yet very subtle and very simple and very minimal this makeup look is, and still it is super glam, and you can definitely pair it with just anything and for any occasion. It will look absolutely beautiful on each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.